Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Subaru Outback X Mode. X Mode is a fantastic feature designed to give you greater confidence and control when facing tricky driving conditions. It works by optimizing several vehicle systems, including the engine, transmission, and the all-wheel drive system, to maximize traction. This means you can tackle slippery roads, steep inclines, or uneven trails with much more ease and stability. Let's dive into how to activate and utilize this powerful system effectively. Activating X Mode is straightforward. You'll find the X Mode button conveniently located on your center console, often near the gear shifter. Simply press this button to engage the standard X Mode setting. Once activated, a green X Mode indicator light will illuminate on your dashboard, confirming that the system is active and ready to assist you. Remember, X Mode is most effective at speeds below 25 miles per hour, ensuring optimal control in challenging situations. Many Subaru Outback models feature dual X Mode settings, offering even greater versatility. The first press typically engages the standard snow and dirt mode, perfect for moderately slippery surfaces such as snowy roads, gravel paths, or muddy trails. For more extreme conditions, like deep snow or thick mud, press the X Mode button a second time to activate the deep snow and mud mode. This setting allows for more wheel slip, helping to maintain momentum and prevent getting stuck. X Mode is your ally on challenging terrain, but it's important to know when to use it and when to disengage. Engage X Mode whenever you encounter low traction surfaces, such as icy roads, loose gravel, or steep, unpaved inclines. Once you return to normal paved roads or reach speeds exceeding 25 miles per hour, the system will automatically deactivate. You can also manually press the X Mode button again to turn it off, ensuring optimal fuel efficiency and driving dynamics for everyday conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.